Welcome, here I've got WIKO Y60 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap on this button we get access to more settings about the camera we can manage, and one of these at the center is geotagging, so by just one tap we can turn it off, another tap to turn it on as we need, and it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to use the actual location of our photo, we have to remember to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.